what you like, but if you wanna ride, I got something in mind, or we could just chill. Ayy, just chill. Ayy, I don't know what you like, but if you wanna ride, I got something in mind, or we could just chill. Ayy, just chill. Ayy, chill.
Welcome to Captain Drakins' Bitcoin Show.
Ahoy, folks. It's a pleasure to see you again.
Ahoy, ahoy.
Today, you will learn what you need to know about multi-sig.
Multi what?
That's the short form of multi-signature. It's a method to make Bitcoin transactions more secure.
And how does it work?
It's quite simple. Normally, a Bitcoin owner needs to sign a transaction with his private key.
Yeah, heard about that before.
But you can also define that a transaction needs to be signed by several people. Imagine there are two directors of a company. You can define that a transaction can only be made if they both sign.
That's nothing new.
True, it's an established practice, but Bitcoin offers many more possibilities. For instance, you can define that a transaction needs 2 out of 3 keys. This can be very useful in e-commerce.
How?
One key is held by the buyer, another one is held by the seller. If they agree on the deal, they both sign the transaction and everything is fine. But in case there is a dispute, they can define a third key holder as the arbitrator.
That's like a referee?
Yeah, kind of. Imagine the seller says he has delivered the product, but the buyer claims he has never received it. It's the referee's job to decide who is right and to side with one of the parties. As he has a third key and only 2 signatures are needed, the transaction goes through.
That's cool.
Multi-sig is also a way to protect yourself against hackers. Imagine a hacker has stolen a private key, but it's a 7 out of 8 multi-sig key, so he cannot do anything with it, as he would need to steal 7 private keys to access the money.
That sounds difficult.
It sure is. That's why multi-sig is a very good way to enhance Bitcoin security. You see, Bitcoin is programmable money, made for the digital age. That's why it's far superior to conventional currencies.
Make the world a better place with Bitcoin.
Captain Drakins' Bitcoin Show is brought to you by Avalon Life.
Just wrong, baby, so gone, baby. Tryna get it on, ladies. So say yeah, so say yeah. It's just wrong, baby. I'm so gone, baby. I'm tryna get it on, ladies. So say yeah, so say yeah.